Hi guys, this is Hans again and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, mag-unboxing tayo ng Atome. I finally got the Atome card and this is also going to be my first unboxing video. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So actually guys, I was supposed to get this one December 19, Thursday. Kaso lang, yung courier kasi, he attempted to deliver this 11 a.m. Yung 11 a.m., nasa work pa ako noon. So, di ba yung normal na ginagawa ng mga, I'm not saying all of them are doing this one, pero kadalasan, magre-ring lang sila ng 3 beses, tapos mag-threaten na, Sir, walang sumasagot, or Ma'am, walang sumasagot, alis na ako. Parang ganun, syempre, hindi ko alam na may tumatawag or mag-deliver. Ang problema ko pa was, late ko na-receive yung notification na mag-deliver sa ng card on that day. Actually, na-receive ko yun after nung mag-attempt na mag-deliver yung driver. So, sinabi ko na sa driver na, or sa courier na, I can't be there by 11. So, if it's possible to have it maybe delivered later after lunch, syempre, nag-attitude yung driver kasi alam nilang, o yung courier, driver pa. Yung courier kasi nga, syempre ikaw may kailangan eh. So, I said, ay kuya, kasi hindi ko ma-receive yan kasi nasa work pa ako niyan. I was being nice actually. Sabi ko, if ganun kuya, if mag-attempt ka pa rin tomorrow, pag hindi ko makuha, report ko na lang sa Atome. Ang sabi lang niya was, sige, ganun, ang bait, di ba? And then sinabi ko na uli, mandang hapon, kuya, andito na ako sa bahay. Baka magbago isip mo, pwede ko na ma-receive. Hindi na siya nag-reply. So, guys, share your thought about it. Medyo may mga courier talaga na attitude. So, you can place that in the comment section yung experience nyo sa mga courier na to. Anyways, after that, the following day, Friday, finally, my confirmation na delivery yung cards. I was a bit worried na, but sino mag-deliver? Akala ko ba kailangan ng signature ko? And then nagulat ako pag uwi ko nga, andun na yung card. So I made sure na selyado siya. Mukhang selyado naman siya. So safe nating i-unbox to. I made sure na yung nakadikit pa rin siya. Nakadikit naman. So mukhang siguro matino naman yung courier siguro. Hindi naman yung pinuksan whatsoever. Pero yung hassle kasi minsan, hindi nila magets na not everyone is gonna be there at home to receive the package. So, yun lang. Anyways, at least na-receive ko naman yung card safely. So, let's unbox this. Alright? Ayan guys, ito na siya. Ayan. Ayan. So guys, sobrang madikit yung yung pag kinukuha mo yung ATM, yung card mo sa papel, sobrang dikit. I don't know how to remove this. As in, sobrang dikit niya. Tinan mo. Anyways, maganda naman yung card. So, yung sa harap is yung logo. Yung likod naman is more of yung name ko, yung card number ko, yung expiration, tsaka CVC or yung code. And guys, AUP pala siya na product. I mean product. I mean, AUP yung nakalagay dito, AUP. Sorry kung baliktad, pero yan. So, AUP siya. And then, yeah, may area ka kung saan pwede mong pirmahan and all that. Ay, actually, wala. So, I'm not, wala siya. Meron siyang hologram din. Okay. Anyways, ang ayaw ko lang sa yung sobrang dikit. Medyo na-stress ako ng konti. Kasi yung like yung China Bank, isang kuha mo lang, tanggal na. Yung sa Union Bank ko din, isang kuha ko lang ng card sa from naka-attach sa card. Makukuha mo na agad yung card. Anyway, so ano nakalagay dito? Atome Card, so pay later anywhere. How to activate your card on the Atome app. So we're gonna activate this one. I'm gonna show it to you as well. So step 1, select Atome Card on your home page, and then tap on activate card, enter the last 4 digits, set up a new 4-digit card pin. Kasi parang yung may pin din ata siya. I've seen videos wherein in-insert mo siya, parang it works just like a debit card sometimes. So pag credit card man, pwede naman ata kasi I noticed na meron siyang yung wave na sign, so maybe you can use this for tapping as well. And of course, tips on how to use the card. Napaka-simple, isang papel lang. Wala na. Walang terms whatsoever. Because I think, everything is available online anyway. So, activate natin. Open the app. Stop natin yung card. Yun, yung physical card. Yung last 4 digit. Yung last 4 digit ng card, guys. Slide ko na lang. And then, so mag-set ka ng pin. Ayan. So guys, mag-set up kayo ng pin na madali lang tandaan na. At as much as possible na ikaw lang makakatanda. Please, huwag kayong mag 1, 2, 3, 4. O kaya, 4 na 1, 4 na 2, 4 na 3. Huwag ganun. Let's explore. Naalala pala to. Anyways, yun lang naman. Check natin yung text message. Para saan to? Okay. Confirmation na na-activated na yung card. So, yun guys. Ganun lang siya kadali. Activated na yung Atome Card natin. As for using it, I'll try to use it tomorrow. May mag-grocery ako. And then, siguro, i-shorts video ko na lang. Or maybe I'll just do a separate video lang, maybe. I'm gonna challenge Atome. So I'm gonna attempt maybe to use Atome Card 5 times, and we'll see then kung ilang beses siya madi-decline, since medyo yun nga, maraming videos ang na-create about dito na hindi siya nag-work. But that was like a few months ago, or could be a few years ago, so I'm not sure this time around if it's going to work smoothly. So yun guys. Alright, that's it. So guys, that's all for our unboxing video. It's kind of fun pala. Anyways, kaya ako hindi nakapag-unboxing last time sa mga previous vlogs ko was because medyo late na ako nag-decide to do vlogging. Anyways, hopefully this 2025 I'll be able to get approved with other credit cards, and I will definitely do unboxing videos as well. Anyways, so what do you think about this Atome card? Please share your thoughts, and if you have Atome card already, share also in the comment section your experience using this card, and I'll be happy to respond to your comments. And anyways, so like what I always say, if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga newly uploaded videos ko. Again, this is Hans. See you next time.